Hi, it's Annie Lou. How are you? Guess what I have? I received my FabFitFun box, and I know that others have already been on YouTube with it, but I still want to share mine. I actually got a couple of extra things. If you're a subscriber, you get to choose some things at a deep discount before it's time to ship your box, and it is included in your shipment, so you're not paying extra postage. Now, one of the things that I got is a brush guard. I wish they had these for like paint brushes. So these are really good if you, ooh, there's a whole assortment. Oh, I can use these for my paint brushes. Oh my word, and I can cut them to size. Oh, these are great. So what it is I got a brush to show you, and you put it in from the bottom and bring it up, and it protects your brush. And these are great if you're traveling, and it'll just protect your brush. Honestly, I didn't know that this had all different sizes, and I am going to be able to cut them for my paintbrushes. Oh, you don't even know. So that was an add-on, as they call it. So the next thing that I added on was a Cooler Makeup Setting Spray. But the reason I really got this, it has an SPF of 30. Summer's here. It's time to go to the beach. And yesterday I was out enjoying the sun, and I had put some SPF on my face, and it was actually a moisturizer. And some of it got in my eye, and it was just watering all day long. It was just so annoying, and I had no place to go and rinse it out. So I am thinking that this is going to be my face SFP. SPF, Annie, not SFP. So it's cooling. And I shall go and put this in my beach bag. Ooh, it smells nice. It sort of has a nice after smell. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited about these brush covers. I'm going right to my work table after this. And if they have these again available, I am going to get another set. And they weren't that much. They were like, I think $5, I think. So the add-ons that you can add on are at a very, very deep discount. So it is a very pretty box. And let's see what's in here. So the first thing you get is a magazine that tells you about the different things that are in here. And I like to sit and read. So I shall be doing that. Who's on the front cover? Eva Longario. Eva. I think she was on the Housewives show. She looks good. Alright, and then there's a FabFitFun box. It's a code to share with family and friends. $15 off your first purchase. So if you would like to subscribe to FabFitFun, I'm going to have my code down the bottom, and you can just get one and try it, and you get a little bit of a discount if you subscribe for the whole year at once, which is what I do. And then you get a chance to pick the items, not all of them, but most of them that you want in your box. They give you a choice of like 3 things, and that add-on section, which is very good. Alright, meal kit, HelloFresh. I have done HelloFresh in the past, and I liked it. I've tried others too. I like to change it up, see what's going on. All right. So let's see. Resistance bands. I did not ask for resistance bands. This could be one of the products that was just included in all of the boxes. So we all know what resistance bands are. And you can go on to FabFitFun and they have an area for exercise. So I'm sure if you go there, or if I go there, I can see how to use these bands. You know what? And they're good for physical therapy too. All right. A nourishing styling cream, living proof. A styling cream. And stops the frizz and lightly conditions. So there are a lot of products out there. Oh my word. This smells so good. I wish there was like a perfume or a body wash that you could use. So I have very wavy hair, so I like these conditioners. And in this weather that's coming up, you know, Mr. Humidity will be setting in soon. So something like this is wonderful. The next thing is a clay mask. Generation Clay, a brightening purple clay mask. I usually do a mask every Saturday. When my girls were little, I used to put on this stuff and then go scare them. What else are you going to do with little kids? All right. This is an exfoliating foot mask. So I would use this in the shower. And, oh my word, it's not even something that you wet. You go to bed with it. Use ideally at bedtime. Apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and wake up with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. So I guess you'd go to bed with this, sleep, and then in the morning just go and rinse off your feet. I am looking forward to trying this. All right. There's just more and more things in here. A rose spray, hydrating facial spray. I am sure this is good for a pickup. Keep it on your desk if you work. And in the middle of the day, you can just give yourself a hit of rose. Oh yeah. Grace and Stella. Let's see. Oh my word. Oh, it smells just like heaven. Oh yeah, that's nice. So the next thing that I see in my box is a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. That sure is a long name. And there are 5 masks in here. And this was one of the things that I picked. And I didn't know. There's a set of 5. $160? I know I wouldn't buy this at $160. But this was one of the things that I did get to pick. So, I'll be doing this tonight, I think. So the next thing that I have in here is something called Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. So it's to exfoliate your face. And my word, everything in here this month is $57 for this. Everything is on the high end. Very, very high end. So I'm liking this. Oh, I have these. These are bands for your hair. They're like electric coils. And what happens is I can take my hair and make a bun, just twist it and put this on and it will stay. So just twist and turn. And I just take that, I really can't show you, but and there's my bun. Let me see. I don't know how it looks. So, ooh, there's all dust over here. My goodness. Huh. Can you see my bun? Alright. And I know that a box of 3 of these are like $7 or $8. 6. Yeah. So this is $16. There are 6 of them in here, so I was right. And when you take them off and you put them down, they go back into their shape. So in the morning it's like all put back together. So the next thing that I have in here, and the final thing, is a robe. I picked this. And this sells for $60. Oh, it feels nice. And it's a cute robe that is perfect for summertime. You know, after a shower, the color is perfect for me. And it has 3/4 length sleeves, and it has a tie that is attached to the robe. You know what? This was an excellent box. Thank you for joining me, and look for me on my art videos too. And when I'm done here, I'm going to go to my art table and do my brushes in those little things. Can you tell how excited I am about those? Well, you take care, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.